What's next for the nomination and confirmation of Judge Amy Coney Barrett? So as you know now, President Trump has fulfilled his constitutional duty, as have all presidents previous to him. Even in an election year, he's nominated a judge to serve as a justice on the U.S. Supreme Court. Now, he didn't have to nominate a judge, but he happened to nominate Judge Amy Coney Barrett. So the president's job is in effect done. Of course, the White House and the White House counsel's office will work closely with the U.S. Senate to see this confirmation across the line. So the White House still has a role to play. But really now that the president has fulfilled his constitutional duty to nominate, we go down to the Article 2, Section 2, where it says the president nominates, but then the Senate plays this important role of advice and consent. Now, what does that mean? Well, the Senate then makes its own rules. So what we've seen now typically occur, and this is what is planning to happen in Judge Barrett's confirmation process, she will be meeting with senators, and then October 12th, her hearings will begin in the United States Senate Judiciary Committee. That's chaired by Senator Lindsey Graham. Why does he chair it? Because Republicans are the majority in the U.S. Senate. The first day on October 12th, you'll probably hear statements from all the senators. Republicans will be praising, Democrats will say this is horrible, and a short opening remark by Judge Barrett. Then the next 2 days, like the 13th and 14th, you'll see the questioning from the senators. On the 15th, you'll see people kind of come in as witnesses. So people that have worked with Judge Barrett, people that have clerked for Judge Barrett, they will come in, and people that oppose her nomination might come in as well. Some senators that are Democrats aren't even meeting with Judge Barrett. There is a discussion that they may show up at the hearing to make statements, but may not engage in the questioning. This will be done at the Senate Judiciary Committee on October 22nd. Where does it go next? It goes to the majority leader of the U.S. Senate, Mitch McConnell. He then will open up probably a floor debate, and I expect the U.S. Senate to have a vote on Judge Barrett's confirmation probably sometime between October 26th and October 28th. That's what we're looking at right now. There's two important votes that occur at the end of this to get her on the court. One, you have to have a cloture vote. That's a vote to say we're closing debate, we're going to close all the speeches you make on the floor, we're not discussing this anymore on the Senate. Used to, that's where the filibuster would come in, but that doesn't apply anymore. So how many votes do you need? 51. Well, we know that there are more than that many Republican senators ready to vote for cloture. But that's all you need, 51 votes. The Democrats will not be able to stop this cloture vote. And then, what do you need for confirmation? Just 51. Again, Democrats will not be able to stop this. I want to make sure that the left and the Democrat leadership doesn't try to draw this out using hijinks. They can't do it with actual votes. So that where they try to delay this up until, 2 days before the election. It is so important that we get Judge Barrett confirmed. One, she's totally qualified for the Supreme Court, but she's also like one of us when it comes to the issues. A conservative. She said in her first speech when she was chosen by President Trump and nominated, she came out with President Trump, she was speaking in the Rose Garden, she said, I clerked for Justice Scalia. His judicial philosophy is my judicial philosophy. It's kind of all I needed to hear. Probably all you needed to hear as well. It tells you so much about how Judge Barrett is going to be looking at these cases before her, like the Affordable Care Act, like election cases, like cases involving life. It's exactly the kind of nominee you should be excited about, and I know you are excited about. So let's get Judge Barrett confirmed to the Supreme Court before Election Day. So we've got 9 justices on the court because of all the issues that we care about, but also because of all the issues that may be before the court because of the election disputes with all the mail-in ballots. Confirm Judge Barrett before the election to the U.S. Supreme Court. Sign our petition at aclj.org.